Rockinator here, and well, yeah, get your lights on. There we go. Get a little bit of light in here. Today we're doing an oil change to my good old lawnflite. So, and she's gone. Come over, frig. Look at the color of this oil. It's a great color. It's a sign she got a little bit of, oh crud. Anyway, here, this is how it's draining. It's draining in 2 spots. So, yeah. Anyway, I'll be back later. Alrighty. Let's see here. Let's see. Let's go real easy. Real easy. Real easy. There we go. Spilled no oil. That is an impressive first for me. Spilled no oil. Great job. You can sit right there. The oil I use is just 10W30 oil, and I just fill it up into this jug here because it's 600 mils. Don't know if you can see this or not, but it says 600 anyway. It says 600 mils, and I fill that up twice and put that in. I only fill it up once for that mower there and put it in. But anyway, I'll be right back. This is the first thing of fluid. Alrighty. Here goes. Swallowed it all, no problem. Pouring, there's 425 milliliters in this now. Wait a minute, did that screw the camera? Probably did. And alrighty, there I go, second pouring. Don't want to put too much in it, because if it's too much, there's going to be issues starting it. Probably not starting issues, but there'll be other issues, which I don't want. First oil change went great. There's the dipstick right there. And it looked like I had to tighten that a little bit more because it looked like there's a little bit of a drip, but that just might have been overflow from the filter because I didn't really use the right one. Right, let's see here. I think it's good. Use just a little bit more, but I'm not going to be running it too much right yet, so probably put a little bit more in it before I start it, like maybe just like 50-60 milliliters, just enough to bring it above the add line, because we don't want to be running it too rich. Plus I'm testing it because it's just at add in that line there. I'm going to test it and I'm going to see tomorrow or the next day. I'm going to check the dipstick again, see if it's leaking any.